Hello everyone. So today is 21st of August and let's discuss what we discussed on Friday's analysis video and what we are expecting next. So on Friday's analysis video हम लोग ने clearly discuss किया था कि कुछ prop decks ने put buy किया है and some call some FIs have bought calls, but FIs also have done huge call writing. So today's morning here at, check the time, at the exact top. So the time was 9:32 a.m. So if you go here and check on 5 minutes chart. So let's go to the 5 minutes chart. 9:32 a.m. So 9:25 to 9:30, and this is the candle 9:30 to 9:35. So at the exact top, I did not even say also sell on rise. Okay, I just said sell. Fine. So if someone took the advantage of it, then you see Nifty was almost like here at 19,362, and then it went below 19,300. So you can like that was the major support, 19,300. So straight away 60 points fall, and if you took the advantage of it, like if you saw the price of 19,300 PE was at around 60 to 58. It went to almost 88 rupees. Okay, so more than 45% in less than 45 minutes. Okay, so that was the update in the morning, and the reason being was that here I clearly mentioned in the 9:26 a.m. also that put buyers are buying puts and they are averaging out their positions. Okay. And as soon as that, after there was a 60 points fall, and during intraday, if you can capture 50 to 60 points fall even in Nifty or Bank Nifty, 100 points. So that's, I think, more than sufficient for an intraday trade. Okay. And coming to the other trades also. So next, I said that this up move is not being supported, and I clearly mentioned in the Telegram channel to short the market. Okay. So now, I mean, yes, I mean at every level, like here, that is 1506, that is I still said that I'm still carrying my bearish positions, and 1122 also, that this thing that is at those levels when Nifty was going higher and higher up. So at those levels we should like I mean buy puts. Like the learning is that one can buy puts at these levels. Okay, so yes, why? Because you see that on 1 day chart this is giving us resistance, and not only that, 19,300 is becoming weaker and weaker day by day. So we should be very careful and watch this level. Okay, so and not only that, the 19,300 call writers are trapped as of now, and that's why even our indicators were also giving the signal. So if you just go and check even on 5 minutes chart, so you see that I mean till here. Okay, so this up move later on which came, so this up move again, like I mean at the end selling was going on, and some of the up moves got wiped out. So again Nifty is below 19,400, and it can descend towards 19,300. So talking about Bank Nifty as well, if you see here at the end again selling started in Bank Nifty as well, and Bank Nifty also came down, and it ends almost flat. So anyways, again XGX Nifty, if you see now, it's down by 61 points, and also talking about the other data, FIIs have sold for almost 1900 crores, and yeah, and advance to decline ratios you can't decide from there. Now talking about the other data points, so if you want such live market updates, so you can follow me on Twitter, and for daily analysis you can you can subscribe me on Twitter, and don't forget to put a like if you want such analysis even in the futures, and if you are if my analysis are helping you out. Yes, so this is the money flow that I showed, that the gap was created and it's not filled yet. So the thing is that money flow gave this thing, that is money flow was not supporting this up move, though Nifty was going higher and higher up. Okay, and finally like Nifty comes down and wipes out the up move. Okay, 50% of the up move gets wiped out. And yeah, now coming to Bank Nifty also, there was some gap created and Bank Nifty also came down. So talking about the other data points, if we go to end of the day data, so end of the day data, if you see here, that is put writing has been done. Okay, now put writing has been done in huge amount with respect to the call writing amount. Now one would say that yes, now we are bullish. So here you would see that call buying also has been done. Okay, and here, that is this thing, that is this is the call buying. So call buying has been done, and yeah, put buying, no, because that will be used for hedging. Okay, so no further put buying today as seen here, and as well as no further there has been further call buying. Okay, fine. Now you would say that your analysis is wrong. Whatever you say, go and watch, like I think the previous to previous week. Okay, on Monday. So the same thing happened. Okay, the same thing happened. Just go and watch that video on Monday. I said that no, there are some I mean, it's not all like the big guys doesn't mean only the FIs or the prop decks. There are some other big guys who also does put buying. I have mentioned you. So, and the next day you saw that some fall came, and but though FinNifty recovered, because in FinNifty call buying was done by some of the FIs, but Nifty did not recover. If you just go and check the previous Monday to previous Monday, the analysis, and then the move on the next day, Tuesday. Okay, so the thing is that you have to capture these big guys. I have proven many times in the past also that always the big guys doesn't mean that the prop decks or the FIIs. There are some HNIs also. They also take these positions, huge put buying positions, and take they are capable of taking them. Manipulating the market. Okay, so now coming to the other data points as well. That is, if you see here, that is Nifty futures. Sorry, FI's futures data. So little bit in futures increase, a little bit of decrease in future short positions, little bit increase in the futures long positions, and for the prop decks, it's clearly visible that they are not expecting any further up move. They have closed huge amount of futures long positions, and they have closed some of the future short positions, but majority of the positions are still intact. So prop decks in futures, they are expecting some further down move, and FII is also, though it shows that they have closed some of their futures short positions, but majority of the positions are still intact. Okay, they are also bearish over the futures. And talking about call writing, so this so talking about the option chain, so this I'll show you with proof that this call buying that you see, okay, again how that was played during that week, the previous to previous week. So again the same game is being played, the buying is being done. Just go and check previous to previous Monday. I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you. So this is the date. So it would be 7th. Okay, so just go and check 7th. Like let's see on the chart. Okay, so this is 8th. Yeah, let's come here. The same game is being played. I'll show you with proof. So this is what happened, like Nifty. Okay, on 8th, fine, you see on 8th Nifty totally came down. Okay, so it opened a little bit gap up, 19,631. From there it came down on 8th of August. Okay, it came down to 19,537. Fine, but go and check on Monday. So some FIs bought calls. Okay, but I clearly said that there are some big guys who have also bought puts, and yeah, so though Nifty came down, but you will see that in FinNifty. So FinNifty, let's go to 8th. So this is 11th. 10th. Yeah, this is 8th. Let's zoom in. So if you see here, FinNifty, okay, so 8th August, okay, expiry day. So if you clearly see here, 8th August, Mangalwar, FinNifty, okay, finally in the first half, in the morning it came down, but after that it sharply recovered, okay. So that was because some FIs did put call buying. And now again I'll show you with another proof that again this call buying positions and put writing positions have been majorly taken in FinNifty, okay. So let's come here, let's go to the FI statistics derivatives data. So again you will notice that money flow in futures is positive, but it's not much positive. Like very few positions are being closed. If you consider that as bullish, it's up to you. I'm bearish, okay. My analysis says it's bearish, still bearish. And talking about stock futures, they have today they have done heavy, they have taken heavy future short positions over the past week, okay. Don't forget that. Like one day you will see that little bit of, so let's go to stocks. You just see over the past week इन लोग भर के शॉर्ट पोजीशंस बनाए हैं, ठीक है. आज थोड़ा बहुत मतलब प्रॉफिट बुक किया है, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत पोजीशंस में प्रॉफिट बुक किया है. Just look at the amount. So don't get bullish on anything. They have still huge positions in short. So देखिए क्या होता है कि you have to understand the game, okay. So if I am the FIs, I have to make these retail traders bullish. I have to get out of my position. So I mean someone has to, like if I have sold, so then when I'm closing them, okay, so someone has to like so that means like when I'm closing, okay, so I'm buying it, right. So suppose I have done future short position, so when I'm closing it, so I'm basically buying it. So then someone has to take my position, so if they have to sell it, or eitherwise like the person who has made contract with me, they or maybe some other person who are closing, so we both close at the same price, मामला खत्म, ठीक है. तो out of these two scenarios one thing can happen, but anyways like the person who is closing at a loss or maybe something, so that person also has to be convinced that that suppose that person has made long positions, okay, that person needs to be convinced that market will go further down, okay, or vice versa. So this is a very big game. You have to understand their gameplay, you have to understand the psychology, and then you can win, okay. So that's what I have discussed even in the past many videos, the psychology of the FIIs or the big guys. So anyways, the main thing is that stock futures still they have heavy bearish positions. Now coming to the major thing, that is Nifty. If you see the buying amount and the selling amount, you'll notice that the selling amount is a little bit higher, okay. So what happens is that yes, so that what does that imply? So that implies basically that in Nifty, yeah, the call writers are still intact, okay, and also yes, the writing positions are much heavier, okay. But if you see here, that is come to FinNifty. Look at FinNifty, okay. Look at the buying amount. So this buying amount I have discussed in the I've discussed the same concept in FI statistics derivatives data detailed analysis. Go and check that video. I've clearly discussed how to identify this. So you see that the buying amount is like what? This is the call buying and the put buying taken together, okay, and this is the call writing and the put writing. So now you see that this the buying amount is much higher than the writing amount. So that shows that in FinNifty these call buyings have been done, okay, not in Nifty, okay. Majorly they have been done in these buying amount have been done in FinNifty, and also since call buying has been done, so majorly put writing also has been done in FinNifty. So FinNifty tomorrow expiry, I would expect buy on dip, okay. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Again I said the similar game can be played as it was played the previous week. Now coming to the other points, like even if you see Bank Nifty also, you would notice that the selling amount and the buying amount is almost the same. Okay, but you can't say exactly something, but you can get a very clear idea that majorly the buying positions is in Fin Nifty, and since we can see that the prop decks and the FIs, they have bought some calls, so there is a high chance that it's these call buyings are in Fin Nifty. Okay, so not very heavy amount, but even if you see, they have done call writing as well as today. Okay, so just subtract the amount, so that amount is done in Fin Nifty. Okay, so don't get very bullish, because you see that call buying has been done. Okay, so yeah, now coming to the major overall view. So tomorrow Fin Nifty, I'll be looking for buy on dip opportunity, and also, like, I have short positions in Nifty. So again, Nifty can come down, as also is being suggested, but again, don't XGX Nifty can be like anything, like it can go down and we can have a gap up tomorrow, or a flat opening, or even a gap down also. Anything can happen, but still you see that there is a chance of going down for Nifty as well, till now also, because even if you see here, that it's clearly showing that last 30 minutes heavy selling was done in Bank Nifty as well as in Fin Nifty. Okay, so the big guys, what they're doing is taking the index up and then just doing selling, okay, in the cash segment. And that's all my overall analysis. So if my analysis are helping you, don't forget to put a like, and please do share it among the other traders. And if you want such analysis like this, in the morning I said that put buyers are active, and once a trader knows that a put buyer is active at the top 9:26 a.m. So I don't think if that person is a trader, that he or she can take the full advantage of it. So anyways, if you want such analysis, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator family, and or else also you get free analysis on Twitter. So during live market, so you can follow me on Twitter, and daily free analysis on YouTube. So you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, if my analysis are helping you, please do share it among the other traders, so that they can also take the advantage of it. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one.